Hi there, LogDog321 for VacBin.com, and today we're going to be using the Hoover SteamVac with Clean Surge to clean some upholstery. In this case, we are going to be cleaning some floor mats out of a car, which are pretty disgusting. So first thing we're going to need to do is do some vacuuming. So I brought out my Shark rotator, and let's get that plugged in. Alrighty, so I have floor mats. On camera you can see two right now. We are going to be using the turbo brush. And let's move like this so that you could see it better. Okay, now as you can see, I'm ready. Well, now I'm ready, and let's get started. That was the first mat. Here's the second. Once again, the dirt gets so bad on this. The dirt gets so bad on this that I have to vacuum the vacuum to get all the dirt off. Oh dear, and it just opened on me. Alright, well that's why you don't hit the Shark rotator bin while it's not above a trash can, otherwise you can get that. Well, let me clean that up now. There we go. Now let's move on to actually cleaning the carpets and not just vacuuming them. Alright, now the next part is to get the steam cleaner ready, or carpet cleaner, whatever you wish to call it. In this case, what we're going to need to do, disconnect the clean water tank, go to the back and remove the hose, turn it back around to the front, lean it back, and now you need to pull off the tank take this little front latch and slide it down. Take the attachment connector and stick it right there. Now reattach the tank, relock it into place, stand the machine back upright, make sure the brush is set to off, open up the little attachment door right here, insert the hose. Now reattach your clean water. After that, you're going to want to plug the machine in and attach a nozzle to the end. In this case, I'm going to be using the powered nozzle. Let's take a look at how this cleans. Alright, now that we're ready at this point, we're going to turn on the machine, start spraying down, and suck it up. After you've scrubbed it, using the scrubby head, you're going to want to pull out this, the non-scrubby head, and use that to suck up all the extra water that you can get out of it. Let's try that. There we go, and this mat's clean. I'm going to repeat the same for the other 3 mats, and we'll see you guys at the end. LogDog321 here, and here are the results. So, I pulled the dirty tank into the house. Let's take a look. So remember, this was from a car, so the results are really bad. It's black water. And let's let you guys watch me dump it. Now, as you can see, all the pockets in there are once again filled up with dirt. A little water. One more rinse. And there we go, all clean. Well, that was using the attachments on the car. Take a look at my full review coming soon. Also, take a look down at the bottom at vacbin.com. It's the best place to find vacuum cleaner reviews and news. Thank you very much. Bye.